Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open Trading 212 account. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Trading 212 app and select open account. You'll then need to choose your country of residence. The available options can vary depending on where you live, but the general registration process is similar. Next, select the type of account you want to open. Trading 212 may offer different account options including invest and CFD. Now enter your email address and create a strong password. Once you've entered your details, tap create account to continue. You'll then move on to the information Trading 212 needs to complete your application. At this stage, you'll be asked for standard personal information such as your nationality, date of birth, tax identification details, and residential address. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and matches your official documents. You'll also need to complete some financial information. This can include your employment details, main source of funds, estimated net worth, and how much you expect to deposit. Provide honest and reasonable estimates based on your actual circumstances. Once you've completed the questionnaire, carefully review the terms and conditions and accept them if you're comfortable proceeding. The next step is identity verification, which is required before your account can be fully approved. For verification, you'll typically need to take a selfie and provide images of an accepted identity document such as a passport or national ID card. Follow the instructions in the app and make sure the photos are clear and easy to read. You may also be asked to provide proof of your residential address. Depending on what's accepted in your region, this could include a bank statement, utility bill, or another eligible document showing your name and address. Once you've submitted everything, your application will be reviewed by Trading 212. The verification time can vary, so don't worry if your account isn't approved immediately. Simply wait for the confirmation from the platform. After your account is approved, you'll be able to move on to the next step, which is funding your account, and that's it. So that's basically how you can open Trading 212 account. So that's all for this video.